When you're in your Google Photos in the album, if you go up to the right corner and click the three dots that say More Options and click Download All, it will save it to a zip file. So if I open that file, mine just has 3 pictures, but then what you have to do is go to, let's see, I'm going to see where the zip is. Profile Photo Zip is the one that I just downloaded. So then if I open that, just kidding, if I right click on it, I can extract all of them and I can tell it where to save. So I can extract them all to, and you can choose your flash drive. I'm assuming it would have your flash drive in this list. And then you'd click on that and it would, and click OK. Once you click on your zip drive in here, click OK, and then extract, and it should put them straight into that. So if you want on your zip drive to make a folder ahead of time of where you're going to put all the photos, you can direct it specifically to that file. I hope that helps. Text me if it doesn't, and I will try again or call you or something. Bye!